Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Now I am dealing with 10th class SSC June 2025 problems. So for 2 marks I have already completed. Now I am doing 4 marks. So in this 4 marks, write the formula for median of a grouped data and explain each term. So median, what is the formula for median? It is L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into h. This is the formula for grouped data. L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into h. So in this case, what is L? L is lower boundary of median class. Lower boundary of median class. N will give you number of terms. Number of terms of the given group. Number of terms is n. This is nothing but sum of frequency. If you add all frequencies, you will be getting n. And Cf, it is cumulative frequency preceding the median class. It is cumulative frequency preceding the median class. So what is F? F is the frequency of the median class. And what is H? H is size of the class. So these are the various terminologies, children. L is lower boundary of the median class. Don't forget to write this median class. You will lose marks. N is number of terms. Number of terms means sigma f. CF, cumulative frequency preceding the median class. When you write the cumulative frequency, what is preceding it? F, frequency of the median class. H is the size of the class. So this is the answer for this problem, children. Please note it down. Now the next question, children. The next question here is, you have got APC is a right angle, triangle, right angled at C. So let me draw first ABC triangle, right angled at C. So right angle should be drawn at C. So this is a C, right angle. So A and B, A, B, C. Right angle at C. P and Q are the points on the sides CB. On CB and CA respectively. That means point P is on CB. So let me draw. Keep this point P on CB and Q on CA. So this is CA. Q is on CA respectively. So now we need to prove that AP square plus BQ square is equal to AB square plus BQ square. So now what is given to us in triangle ABC, angle C is 90 degrees and point P lies on BC and point Q lies on AC. Now what is RTP? You need to prove that AP square plus BQ square is equal to AB square plus BQ square. Here you have a construction. What is the construction, children? See, they have asked AP square. That means you need to join AP. Without joining, you don't get. So first one, join AP. And the next one is BQ square. That means you have to join BQ. You have to join BQ. So this is BQ. Second one, join BQ. Now, in fact, there is a third one to prove this. That is, you need to even join PQ. You have to even join PQ because PQ square they are asking, no? So you need to join PQ, then only you can prove this, children. Otherwise, you cannot prove. So join AP, PP, and PQ. Now, proof. AP square means in triangle APC, angle C is 90 degrees. Therefore, what is AP square? AP square is equal to AC square plus CP square basing on Pythagorean theorem. Now, BQ square means in triangle BQC. Let us consider this as the first equation. In triangle BQC, angle C is 90 degrees. Therefore, BQ square is equal to QC square plus BC square. Okay, BQ means this is the triangle, no? BQC. So BQ square is QC square plus CB square. This is second one. Now they are asking to add these two, first equation and second equation. That is AP square plus BQ square is equal to AC square plus CP square plus QC square plus BC square. So what we need to prove? We need to prove AB square. AB square means AC square plus BC square. Are you having? Yes. And PQ square, that is CQ square plus CP square. Even this you are having. That means let us regroup it. AC square plus BC square plus CP square plus QC square. We are grouping. This is nothing but AC square plus BC square is AB square plus CP square. CP square plus QC square is PQ square. Therefore, AP square plus BQ square is equal to AB square plus PQ square. This is the proof, children. Let me explain you once again. There is a triangle ABC in which angle B is 90 degrees. Point P lies on BQ and Q lies on AC. You need to prove that AP square plus BQ square is equal to AB square plus PQ square. PQ square, this you need to prove. So first I have taken AP square. AP means I should take triangle APC. In this AP square is equal to AB square plus CP square, Pythagorean theorem. Next BQ square means in triangle BQC. BQ square is equal to CQ square plus CB square. This line should be little bit to touch BC, children. It should be like this. Okay. So BQ square is equal to QC square plus CB square. This is again Pythagorean theorem. When these two are equal, first equation plus second equation, if you add AP square plus BQ square is AC square plus CP square plus QC square plus BC square. Now what they are asking AB square. In this figure, AB square you want means AC square plus BC square you want. Have you got? Yes, these are AC square plus BC square. And PQ square you want means QC square plus PC square you want. Do you have? Yes. So let us regroup it. AC square plus BC square as one group plus CP square plus QC square as another group. So this is AB square plus the other one is PQ square. This is how you need to prove, children. Please note it down. Now, ninth question, children. A strip of width 5 centimeters is added to one side of a square to form a rectangle. There is a square. So, let me draw a square, children. So, this is a square. A, B, C, D is a square. To this, a strip is added, another strip. I'll draw that in a broken line so that you will have a clear idea. Another strip of 5 centimeters. This is the strip they have added. Let me call it as D and E. This is 5 centimeters. It is added to it. Now the question is, the area of the rectangle formed is 204. So now this is a rectangle. Its area is 204 square centimeters. Then find the length of the square. So let us consider, let the length of the square is equal to A centimeters. So I am writing it as A centimeter. I have taken units as A centimeters because here they have given centimeters only. So now the length of the strip added, the length of the strip added is 5 centimeters. Therefore, what is the length of rectangle? What will be the length of rectangle? It is A plus 5 centimeters. From here you have to add. Then what is the breadth of the rectangle? What is the breadth of the rectangle? This is nothing, nothing but there is no change in the breadth, children. If this is A, this is A, this is A, this is A. So here also breadth is A centimeters. So what is the area of rectangle? Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth, that is A plus 5 into A, that is A square plus 5A square units, square centimeters is the length that we have got according to the values that they have given. So according to the figure, according to the problem, in the problem they have given, according to problem, according to the problem, A square plus 5A is equal to 204 because they said that area of the rectangle formed is 204. So 204. That means A square plus 5A minus 204 is equal to 0. So take 204. 2 ones are 0, 2s are 2 5s are 2 ones are 3 ones are 3 sevens are. So these are the factors we are getting. So we have to split the middle term now. So 3 4s are 12. So 12 into 17 minus 12 is 5. So directly we can use A square plus 17A minus 12A minus 204 is equal to 0. A into A plus 17 minus 12 into A plus 17 is equal to 0. So A minus 12 into a plus 17 is equal to 0. If a minus 12 is equal to 0, then a is equal to 12, and if a plus 17 is equal to 0, then a is equal to minus 17. Since lengths can't be negative, therefore, this is what is the question? Length of the side. Therefore, length of the side of square is equal to 12 centimeters. This is the answer for this problem, children. If you continuously do it, you will be getting step by step very easily, children. So even the splitting is also very easy when you do the prime factorization. So once again, a strip with width 5 centimeters is attached to one side of a square to form a rectangle. So this is a rectangle ABCD, and another strip with 5 centimeters is added to it. Now the question is, the area of the rectangle so formed is 204 square centimeters. Then find the length of the square. What is the length of the square they are asking? So length of the square is, we consider it as A centimeters, and the length of the strip added is 5 centimeters. So length of the rectangle so formed is A plus 5 centimeters, and breadth of the rectangle is nothing but the same width or side of the square, so that is a centimeters. So area is L into B, so a plus 5 into a square plus 5a. Now according to the problem, a square plus 5a is 204. So a square plus 5a minus 204 is equal to 0. I did the prime factorization of 204. So I got 17 into 12. 17 minus 12 is 5, which we want. So a square plus 17a minus 12a minus 204 is 0. That means a into a plus 17 minus 12 into a plus 17 is equal to 0. A minus 12 into a plus 17 is 0. That means a minus 12 is 0, means a is equal to 12. If a plus 17 is 0, a is equal to minus 7. Because the sides cannot be taken in negative, we have to take the positive values. So a is 12, means the side of the square is 12 centimeters. This is the answer, children. 9th one. Now the next question is, solve the following. You have got two equations. Actually, this problem, children, you have many methods. But if they ask a particular method, you have to go for that method. But otherwise, from the lower classes, you have been solving the equations by eliminating the one. So we will go for the elimination method only. So 3x plus 4y is equal to 10 is the first equation, and 4x minus 3y is equal to 5 is the second equation. So any one coefficient should be equal so that we can cancel. So let me take nothing, we can equalize. So first equation you multiplied by 4, and here see both of them are having same signs, means minus. Second equation multiplied by 3. So 4 3s are 12x plus 4 4s are 16y is equal to 4 10s are 40. 3 4s are 12x minus 3 3s are 9y is equal to 3 5s are 15. So on cancellation, subtraction, signs will change. These two will get cancelled. This is 25y is equal to, see here it is a 5, and 3 minus 1, 25 you are getting. 25y is equal to 25. So when 25y is equal to 25, y is equal to 25 by 25, that is 1. So we have got y value as 1. So on substituting this y value in any one of the equations, so I am taking the first equation, 3x plus 4y is equal to 10, that is 3x plus 4 into y value is 1 is equal to 10, 3x plus 4 is equal to 10, 3x is equal to 10 minus 4, 3x is equal to 6, x is equal to 6 by 3, 3 ones are 3 twos are, therefore x is equal to 2. So the answer on the whole is x is 2, y is 1. This is the answer for this problem, children. So once again, solve the following equations. So in solving the problems, you have graphical method, you have got a squaring, finding out this by elimination method you have got, and so in this methods, whichever method you want, you can do. Substitution method also you have. So different methods you have studied in your 10th class syllabus. But in this case, in that problem, if they ask you by using a particular method, you need to use that method only to solve it, children. You cannot use as you wish. But in this particular problem, they have not given you any method. So it is very, very convenient for us to solve it by elimination method. So that is the method which I am using. 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. 4x minus 3y is equal to 5. First and second equation. So no coefficient is equal or no coefficient can be simplified just by multiplying one equation with any number. So I need to take here I wanted to make these x coefficients the same. So if I want to make x coefficient as same, with this 4 I should multiply first equation, and the second equation should be multiplied by 3. And since both of them are having same signs, positive signs, I should subtract them so that I can cancel. So 12x plus 16y is equal to 40 is the first equation. 12x minus 9y is equal to 15 is the second equation. So signs should be changed. This on cancellation, I am getting 25y is equal to 25. So what is y? Y is 1. Similarly, I am substituting this value of y here. 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. 3x plus 4 is 10. 3x is 6. So x is equal to 2. So this is the solution, children. X value 2, y value 1. Please note it down. Now, children, the next question is, two dice are rolled simultaneously. At a time, dice are rolled, and the sum of the numbers appearing on them is noted. Means what is the sum of two numbers upon it are noted. Find the probability of getting their sum as 11 and a perfect square. So let us see what are the total number of outcomes. Number of outcomes when two dice are rolled. When two dice are rolled, see, first one has got 6 chances. Similarly, the second one also is having 6, 36. That means what, children? Number of possible outcomes are 36. So the question is probability of getting the sum. First bit I'll do, that is 11. 11 means what is the sample space? Sample space. What is the sample space, children? Two dice, when they add, you need to get 11. So suppose if one is there with 1 comma 1 comma 2 1 comma 3, if you do like that, even last one also is 7. So with 1 you cannot get it, and with 2 also 8. 2 comma 6 is 8. Even that we don't get it. And if you want to see, children, if you have a problem in thinking like this, you go for a table, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6, or first die 1 2 3 4 5 6, or second day. So you can write this 1 comma 2 1 comma 3 1 comma 4 1 comma 5 1 comma 6. So I'll write this numbers also little bit away. 5 and 6. So 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, and 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6, and 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. This, if you write, children, in your rough column you can write. What will happen is, sometimes while thinking you may go wrong. Mental calculation sometimes due to examination tension and all, you may go wrong. But if you do this in your rough column, that will help you to solve this problem very easily. Now, the question is what? The sum should be 11. That means when I add these two, I should get 11. So here it is not possible. Here also it is not possible. 2, 8 is the last one, that is 8. 3, 6 is 9. So it is all less than 9 only. This is 4, 6 is 10. This is also less than 11. And we want 11 no sum. So 5, 6 is 11 and 6, 5 is 11. So sample space is 5, 6 and 6, 5. That's all. So what is n of s? N of s is 2 elements are there. That means number of favorable outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes are 2. So probability of getting the sum 11 is equal to, what is the formula? Number of favorable outcomes, number of favorable outcomes divided by number of possible outcomes. So number of favorable outcomes are 2, by number of possible outcomes are 36. 2 ones are 2 threes are 1 by 36. So probability of getting 11 is 1 by 13. 2 ones are 2 threes are 1 by 13. So 1 by 13 is the answer for this bit, children. You have one more bit, that is a perfect square, that I will teach you after you note it down, because I have no space here. So once again, what you have written here, let me explain. Up to here it is the number of outcomes in the on the dice when both of them are rolled is 6 into 6, 36. So because see children, these are 6, these are 6, totally 36 are there. Now number of this becomes the number of possible outcomes 36, and probability of getting sum means if you add these two you should get this value. What are they? 11 are perfect square. So I am taking 11 first bit. Sample space I should write. So I have drawn this so that this table checkerboard will help you to find out the sum very easily without any tension. You can do it. So we know that 5, 6 is 11 and 6, 5 is 11. So we have taken them as sample space, that is n of s is 2. That is favorable outcomes are 2. So probability of getting the sum 11 is nothing but number of favorable outcomes by number of possible outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes are 2. Number of possible outcomes are 36. Then 2 by 36 is 1 by 13 is the answer. So if you note it down, I will go for the next one, children. Please note it down. Now the second bit is getting the sum a perfect square. A perfect square means what is the sample space? Sample space is, see children, if you add, the number should be a perfect square. This is 2, 3, 4. 4 is a perfect square. So 1, comma 3. Then 4, 6, 2 comma 4 is a 6. This is also 6, 7. It cannot be. So 3, 4. So 2 comma 2 is a perfect square. Again 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. It can't be. Then this is 4. 3 comma 1 is one more sample space. Then this is 5, 6. Then this is 7. 7 and 8 and 6, 3 comma 6 is 9. So you can write 3 comma 6 also. 9 is a perfect square. Then 5, 6, this is a 7, this is 8, this is a 9. 4 comma 5 is also a perfect square. 10 it can't be. 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 comma 4 is also a perfect square. 9, 10, 11. Okay. This is 7. This is 8. This is 9. 6 comma 3 is a perfect square. Then 10, 11, 12, nothing else. So how many you are having children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So n of s is equal to 7. That means number of favorable outcomes is equal to 7. So, what is the probability? Probability of getting the sum as perfect square. What is the formula? Number of favorable outcomes. I have no space, so I wrote only abbreviations. You have to write fully, children. Number of possible outcomes. So, what are number of favorable outcomes? 7. 5 possible outcomes? 36. You cannot simplify. So, P of sum, P of perfect square I'll write. P of perfect square is equal to 7 by 36. This is the answer. So here children, they are asking the next bit, second bit, a perfect square. That means if you add the sum of the numbers should be a perfect square. So 4, 4, 4. These are perfect. 4 is a perfect square. So these are the numbers with which we are getting perfect square 4. Here 9, 9, 9, 9. 9 is a perfect square. More than this, we didn't find any other perfect square. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 terms are there. So n of s is 7. Favorable outcomes are 7. So probability of getting sum as a perfect square is number of favorable outcomes by possible outcomes. That is 7 by 36 is the answer. Children, please note it down. Now 12th problem, children. A girl says the points 4 comma C. A 6 comma 4, B 4 comma minus 6, C minus 2 comma 4 are collinear. Do you agree with her? Justify your answer. So I told you earlier also, in my videos I have explained, and even in this previous SSC problems I have explained once again. If you want to prove that when the given 3 points are collinear means they lie in a straight line. If you prove that area of triangle is 0, then we can prove that definitely. See, with 3 points, there are only 2 chances. One is either triangle will be formed or they form points of a straight line. So they are asking you to prove that they are lying in a straight line. So for that, what you do? You take the values and find out area of a triangle. That is very simple, children. If you find area of a triangle, if area of triangle is 0, they are collinear because area is not forming. Area of triangle 0 means there is no area that is forming. So definitely if area is not forming, they are collinear. Otherwise what happens? If you say that they are, if you get area of triangle as some value, that means what triangle is forming, then definitely they are not collinear. So accordingly, it is very easy if you go for area of triangle. So let me write area of triangle ABC formula. It is half modulus. I told you earlier also, children, 3 times, easy way of remembering, y minus y plus x into y minus y plus x into y minus y. 3 times you will write between the modulus. Put 1, 2, 3 numbers for x. And cyclic way, see, 1, 2, 3. After 1 it goes to 2, after 2, 3, after 3 again 1. So 1 I have got. So I should write 2 and 3. 2 I have got. So I should write 3 and 1. 3 I have got. So I should write 1 and 2. That's all. See how easily you will be getting the problems, the formula very easily. So coordinates of A. A is having 6, 4. That means x1 and y1. B coordinates are 4, minus 6. This becomes x2, y2. And C coordinates are minus 2, 4. So x3, y3. So you have got values here. So half modulus x1 is 6 into y2. Y2 is minus 6. So let me draw this big bracket. Minus 6 minus y2 minus y3. Y3 is 4. Okay. Now plus x2. X2 is 4 into y3. Y3 is 4 minus y1. Y1 is also 4. Now next x3. X3 is minus 2 into x3 into y1. Y1 is 4 minus y2. Y2 is minus 6. So this is equal to half modulus 6 into minus 10 plus 4 into 0 plus minus 2 into 4 plus 6. This is half modulus minus 60 plus 0 plus minus 2 into 6 plus 4, 10. That means half modulus minus 60 plus 0 plus into minus minus 20. That means half modulus minus 80. This is nothing but half into 80. Minus becomes plus. That is, you have got 40. So what are you getting? Area of triangle. Area of triangle ABC is equal to 40 square units. That means what? The given points are not collinear. Therefore, I don't agree with the given statement. So this is the solution for this problem, children. Once again, see, the question is, a girl says the points A 6, 4, B minus 4, minus 6, C minus 2, 4 are collinear. Do you agree with her? Justify your answer. So, first what you have to do, when the given 3 points are collinear, then a triangle will not form. So, if you go for area of triangle formula, it is very convenient for us to see, children. If area of triangle is 0, we can say the triangle the triangle is not forming, that means the points are collinear. If area of triangle will get to some value, that means triangle is forming, so they are not collinear. So half modulus, I have explained you just now how the formula has to be done. So half into 6 into, so the concerned values I have taken, children. So on simplifying, 6 into minus 10 plus 4 into 4, this is 0, minus 2 into 4 plus 6. I have taken. So that is 6 into minus 10 is minus 60 plus 0 minus 2 into 10 you will be getting. So minus 60 plus 0 minus 20. That is 1 by 2 into actually modulus minus 60 minus 20 is minus 80. So half into modulus when you open you will get positive value. 80 means 40. So area of triangle we have got 40 square units, but that means what we are getting area. That means the given points are not collinear. So I don't agree with the given statement. I hope I am clear, children. Please note it down. With this, 4 marks questions are completed. 6 marks questions I will do it in the next video.